Welcome to Lem Studio. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating the new features in Histacom 1.8.9 Alpha 2. Splash screen there you saw, very basic. So, pretty much redone title screen. There's some of the features that are in 1.8.9 so far. Here's how you load everything now in the game. New game, load game, settings, quit. By default though, this is how it looks like when you first start the game. So, go into settings. Currently it's just in mobile mode, which is very restricted. I'll show you what that looks like. So, go through the new user setup. Caps lock on. I need to add the when you hit the enter key, it switches through each box, but I haven't added that yet. Restarts. This is going to be replaced with a BIOS screen, but I just placed this here temporarily. It only displays you're in mobile mode, so you can't change desktop background or any of those properties. Windows Explorer is disabled. Internet Explorer should also be disabled. Don't know why that's not grayed out like Windows Explorer is, but that will be fixed then. Of course, there's also no icons here. So that's pretty much the main features in mobile mode that are different than fixed mode. But while we're here, Notepad, lovely program. Also taskbar, it's a little delayed. I'll fix that then later. Suspend brings you back to the main screen. So let's change setup. Modern mode pretty much just changes some of the title screen looks just to be a little closer to the game that I originally created, Update 95. Since currently Histacom and Update 95 are kind of colliding together. Let's go back to classic mode. Resource location. Is a resource pack, pretty much just allowing more features in the game. Of course, we have to go through this again since it was in mobile mode last time. Okay, so now we have icons. Mobile mode is not being displayed anymore. So, pretty much it's an actual folder in Windows Explorer and all. You can add files here. Only new folder, and you can't rename them yet, but that'll be changing in the future. So if we just click desktop, it should hopefully. Well, we can go down to desktop here and see there's a new folder. If we go back, there's a new folder. I need to refresh and do all the context menus. And here, properties now available. Different backgrounds. Even though it's being displayed in the center, it's actually tiled on the desktop background, which I need to fix. And I also need to fix that patterns aren't yet available, but I'll get those up. Browse is available, but it's only for bitmaps and DIBs, which I've never even really heard of outside of Windows 95, so there it is. Woohoo, we can now have across the screen. You can open up Internet Explorer from here or from the start menu. Originally in Philips version 1.8.5, only the desktop. There's the web page. Not for some reason is being applied to the websites. So it's just the basic HTML, so that's why the buttons aren't to fit. But home, back, forward, stop, refresh. Full screen I haven't gotten yet. Mail just takes you to hotmail.com. You can also enter addresses now up into the title bar, which I think was a thing before. But you don't need the www anymore, and you just can also hit enter. Also, history is now around. It's not completed, that's just something I just finished today. All pages are set up in HTML. It'll display your current operating system icons there. But if you have the resource pack, it will display Windows 95, because in the resource pack are the Windows 95 icons. But yeah, there's really nothing much you can do with Explorer except just see the current folder structure. So I guess that's pretty much it. So, bye.